What's up, folks? This is a Yamaha Kodiak 700 2023. I'm putting Fender Flares on it. This will give you an idea of what it's going to look like after. Once I get everything bolted up and put on. It just adds a little extra zip to it, I guess. And it goes with the black and green coloring of the whole machine, and it just kind of finishes it off by putting the Fender Flares on. And besides that, I added 2 extra inches of wheel span on each side with 2-inch spacers. So when mud flies, it flies, man, and it flies right up on me. So I wanted to get these to dress it up a little bit, and then also keep the mud from flying all over me. And I think it looks cool, but I got to figure it all out, and I got to mark all these off, and then do some weird shit to get them on there straight and right, because I don't want to screw it up. And once you drill into your plastic, you drill into your plastic, and there's not too many quick remedies for it. But yeah, let me see what's going on. I can give you a quick look at what it looks like over here without it. And then with it. Right on. I just got tape holding it up there right now. But yeah, gotta line it all up good. Drill the holes and bolt it all up, man. But yeah, I don't know if you can see the difference. But yeah, I'll do a little tutorial. I'll get them all on, and then I'll take this side off and show you exactly how I did it step by step, so that if you ever want to do it yourself, you can have a good idea of how I did it, and you can try to do it the same way if it works for you. But if you're just one of those guys that aren't as anal as I am and has to have everything lined up perfect, just go ahead and throw it on. Do what you got to do, but hopefully it turns out all right. But the way I'm going to do it, hopefully it gives people a good idea of what exactly you should put into it thought-wise to get it put on correctly. Let's just hope I put it on correctly. I don't know, but I got faith in the hippie, man. Rock on, love, peace, and hippie grease, man. Wish me luck.